And welcome back. Israel already has a law to stop its citizens from going to China to receive organs. That's because of allegations Chinese state-run hospitals are killing prisoners of conscience and selling their organs for profit. Now, Taiwan is considering similar laws to cut down on organ being sourced illegally.
Taiwan's health department said on Thursday it plans to modify its organ transplant laws to criminalize organ trade and brokerage. The main concern is illegally obtained organs in China, where authorities have been accused of killing prisoners of conscience for their organs. China is the main destination for Taiwanese patients who obtain organs overseas.
We want to minimize the occurrence of using organs with questionable sources. We plan to discuss the amendment of organ transplant laws during the upcoming legislative period, and we want everyone's support.
Hsu Ming-neng spoke during a forum in Taipei on Thursday organized by the Department of Health. On the panel was a group of 5 doctors and investigators from around the world. They visited Taiwan this week to highlight transplant abuse in China. Dr. Jacob Lavi from Israel discovered his patients were going to China for rapid transplants. Some were promised an organ on a certain day, something that suggests China has an on-demand organ supply. He has since worked to get Israel to stop transplanting tourism to China.
Of those brokers who intermediate between local candidates and overseas in China donors, that should be taken care of immediately. That's what we've done in Israel, and that's the way we have succeeded in Israel to stop completely the flow of Israeli patients over to China.
U.S.-based doctor Jianxiao Chu says a combined effort is necessary to stop forced organ harvesting in China.
I think the public, medical community, the political field, and the legal community all need to take action, because this isn't something that doctors alone can accomplish.
Independent investigators and human rights activists have accused the Chinese regime of profiting from forced organ harvesting. The largest groups of victims identified are persecuted Falun Gong practitioners. Detained house Christians and Uyghur minorities are also believed to be amongst those killed for their organs. NTD News, Taiwan.